Hi guys, thank you for tuning into episode 2 of my lace series videos. I'll be showing you how I tint my lace so that it matches my skin perfectly. I'll be using Adore's honey brown dye to tint my lace. Just a few squeezes of this. If you want your lace to be a bit darker, you can use more dye, but as the lace isn't too far off from my skin colour, I didn't use so much. And now I add some boiling water. Just enough to immerse the lace completely. This is by far the easiest part in the whole lace unit customization process. So as you can see, the lace on my unit is close to my skin color but not quite perfect enough. And because I didn't add so much dye, it will only lightly tint the lace and not change the color drastically, which is what I'm going for. So just make sure all the lace is covered in the water and swish the solution around. Really and truly, I should have mixed the dye and water together, because if you have clumps of dye in the water, you can stain your lace. Like you'd have a brown area, and that's not what we're going for. And if your roots are over bleached, this could help to just change the color a bit. I'm not saying if the hair is over bleached, that's when you have a whole different problem. If the roots are a bit too bright, tinting the lace can help to hide that. I'm going to let the lace unit sit in the solution for 10 minutes. After that, I will rinse out the unit, and that is the lace tinting process done. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. Tune in to the next part, which will be on how I pluck my frontals for a flawless install. Bye!